Looks like that rascal Pete Boomer's at it again. You know, you just know I'm going to have fun with this boy. Hey, boy, what you doing there?
Huh? I'm hunting chickens.
Well, you're going about it all wrong, son. You can't catch a chicken going in the chicken entrance. They're too smart for that. Gotta sneak up on them, Puma-like. Now, this here is a special entrance for pumas, like yourself, son. The chicken entrance is way too small. You know what I mean? Stand up, boy. Now, what kind of chicken? Don't get too close, son. I'm a heartbreaker. Now, what kind of chicken are you looking for?
This one.
Hold on, Flash. You don't want a chicken.
I don't?
No, you want a chicken.
But...
You want a Venezuelan racing chicken.
Yeah.
Hang on, son. Well, that bird's faster than a cheetah with salsa in his shorts. You sure you're fast enough to catch him?
Oh, yeah.
Well, you better tie your shoelaces.
But I'm not wearing any shoes.
He's gone! Why, he plumb ran off all the way back to Venezuela. Well, don't just stand there, boy. Go get him. That boy's as thick as a whale sandwich. Hold on, son. You're too slow. I can run faster than that in high heels. I ain't saying I wear high heels. Well, maybe you should give it up, son. Try something easy, like hunting rabbits.
No rabbits.
Well, how about a mule? Giraffe? Dingo? Armadillo?
No.
Chicken?
Yeah!
I got just the one. Irish wrestling chicken, and here's how you catch him. First, you go down the street, and then you get yourself, then you put on it.
Yeah.
This shouldn't happen to a dog. Lucky for me, he ain't a dog. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Cluck, cluck. Nice work, boy. Just finish him off.
Here, check.
You could say that Irish wrestling chicken stuff was a bunch of bull. What? Why don't you watch where you're going?
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I was just taking a little stroll.
Well, just look out next time.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Chicken. I will.
Crazy hen walking around with her eyes closed. Well, pluck my feathers and call me Beulah. That's the finest specimen of a Mongolian disappearing chicken ever I saw.
What's Mongolian?
What am I, your math teacher? Sir, you are seemingly oblivious to the majestic creature you hold before you. Well, just look at those tender thighs, those juicy wings. That poultry must be 30 pounds. Well, Mr. Ed, you just learned lesson number 1 about the Mongolian disappearing chicken. You can't eat it until it reappears, and there's only one way to get that chicken to reappear.
What I gotta do?
You gotta dance, son. That's why you got tap shoes on. You dance just right. That chicken will jump right into your arms. Now, show me what you got, boy.
Okay.
You go, I say you go, boy. Just keep dancing till that chicken reappears. Boy, that boy's a regular one moron show. Let's check in on old Twinkle Toes. Keep it up, Ginger! She's reappeared right before my eyes, and she's ready to jump in your arms. It's that kind of dedication that brings a lump to my throat.
A whole lot of lumps.
Racing chicken. Disappearing chicken. Wrestling chicken. You were saying, laddie? I'm glad I didn't show him the Norwegian exploding chicken.